Hi guys, welcome to Finance and CMA Made Simple. In this video, I'm going to explain the functions of M plus, M minus and MRC buttons on the calculators. Let's take a simple example. Say, I've written here a question, find the value. In this, you have to do 35 into 4 plus 125 divided by 5 minus 80 into 2. Now, if we are not using these buttons on the calculators, or if we are doing this question manually, what are we going to do? We'll multiply these two. 35 4s are 140, we'll write here, plus 125 divided by 525 minus 80 2s are 160, correct? And then we will add these two, 140 plus 25, we get 165 minus 160, and the answer is 5. Now, in exams like the CMA exam, or when you're working in your office and you're using calculators for such calculations, it really takes up a lot of time. Now, with the help of these buttons on the calculator, you'll see that these questions can be done within no time. It's really going to save you a lot of time in your exam as well as in your daily work. So let's just quickly look at how to do the same question with the help of the buttons which I told you on the calculator. Now, on this calculator, if you see, this is the memory plus button, that is add to the memory. This is M minus, which is subtract from the memory, and MRC, which is the memory recall and memory clear button. Now, in many of the calculators, if you see MR and MC buttons, they'll be different. Say I have another calculator here. If you look at this calculator, here you'll see that MR and MC buttons, they are separate. Whatever it may be, their function remains the same. So let's do this question now. First, it is 35 into 4. Please observe carefully and you will see that when I'm doing this calculation, I'm not using equal to button. So 35 into 4, it has to be added, correct? So I'll put it in memory plus. Then you have 125 divided by 5. 125 divided by 5, it has to be added. So I'll put it in memory plus. And then you have 80 into 2, which I have to subtract. So 80 into 2, I'm going to put it in memory minus. Now we have to find the answer. So we'll use the memory recall button. And you will see that the answer is 5. And you might have observed it's so quick, especially when you're dealing with large numbers as in your CMA or in your professional life. You'll see that it's going to really save you a lot of time. Okay, so this is how it is. Now, one thing that you have to be very careful when you're using these buttons is that there you can see there is an M on the display here of the calculator, which shows that there is something stored in the memory. So as soon as you finish one question, what you have to do is you have to remove that M. For that, you can just press MRC once again and then press AC all clear, and it's done. Now you're ready for your next question. So I hope this is clear. Please try to do all your questions with the help of these buttons because they save you a lot of time. Especially CMA students who are preparing for their exams, please do make note of it. I hope the explanation is clear. In case you have any doubts, you can always comment in the comment box.